In this video, I will be showing you how to make 8 ways to dress up and customize plain round ornaments. First, let's start off with this snow-covered ornament. Take a paintbrush and spread the glue all over the area that you want to cover. I am using Elmer's clear glue, but you can use any glue that dries clear. Sprinkle fake snow over the area where I applied the glue. I'm adding a mixture of the fake snow and some glitter and some silver beads to give the ornament a little bit of variety. Add more glue as you go along. You don't need to glue the entire ornament at one time. Make it even on all sides and cover all the glued areas. Drip on more glue if needed. Don't leave any bold spots. This is the same fake snow which are leftovers from my previous holiday series called Holiday Neighborhoods. If you want, you can go check out that video. The ornament can be half covered snow or you can sprinkle the entire ball with snow. Either way, it looks great. Next ornament is creating a design with dimensional fabric paint. This is also pretty simple. Simply draw on your own design. I am doing swirls throughout. The bigger the swirl, the faster it is to cover the ornament. You can draw hearts, stars, or mandala patterns. Whatever design is easy for you. You can even sprinkle some glitter while the paint is wet. For the next style, I am using pearl ribbons. Measure the length from top of the ornament to the bottom of the ornament. It is flat on one side and rounded on the top side. My pearl ribbon comes in 4 rows. I cut it into single lines. Using my hot glue gun, I secure a small section at a time since hot glue dries fast. Start the first pearl line from top to bottom of the ornament. Glue the flat side of the pearl strand onto the ornament. Do the same on the opposite side. I did not follow my own recommendation, therefore my lines are not perfectly aligned. Or you may want to mark where you want to place your strand so that it can be even on all sides. Stop the line at the bottom. Do not overlap the strands. You can stop at 4 lines or 8 lines or as many lines as you want. You don't need to use pearl strands. You can use sequins or diamond strands. Next ornament creation is a CD mosaic. Cut up a UCD into small pieces. Since the ornament is round, I recommend cutting small pieces so that the edges are less likely to stick out. These edges can be sharp and can poke. Using my hot glue gun, I attach the CD scraps throughout the ornament. You can use any glue, but hot glue dries fastest. The CD is layered, so use the layer with the iridescent color. I did a video on CD crafts that you can do with old CDs. If you want, you can go check out that video. For the next design, it requires a clear ornament. It can be plastic or glass. Start by removing the top. I roll up a piece of paper to make a funnel. Then I add sand into the ornament. I add golden glitter to give my sand some sparkle, but this is optional. I insert the unicorn horn spiral shells. With a clear ornament, you can stuff just about anything inside to make it look festive, like beads, snow, tinsel, garland, anything you think of that fits and looks good. I'm making this ornament as a souvenir, so I add the location name. I have these stickers with rhinestone lettering, which I add on the text San Diego. The next design is wrapping an ornament with diamond trim. I have an adhesive sheet of decorative diamond accent, which makes it faster to customize this ornament. I cut it into individual strips and wrap it around the ornament. If you can't find any adhesive version, then you can use a glue gun to secure the trim. Here you see that I am using a clear ornament for this project, but any ornament will work. Just take off the paper backing to stick on this adhesive diamond trim. Start circling the strand around the ball one line at a time. Make sure the line is tight and there is no opening between the lines. Work with a single row, so cut out one row at a time. At the end, turn the ornament upside down and continue to cover the rest of the ornament. For this next ornament, I will be using temporary tattoos. You will apply these tattoos the same way you would on your skin. Simply peel off the plastic on top. Apply the tattoo with the image pressing against the ornament. Press a damp cloth over the towel for at least 15 seconds or longer. Once the paper is dampened, peel off slowly. Smoothen the tattoo with your fingers so there are no air bubbles and that the edges flatten on the ornament. I put tattoos all over this ornament, but one big tattoo can make a great design too. Who would have thought you can tattoo on an ornament? My last DIY ornament is the acrylic paint drip. This is by far the most difficult and challenging of all the designs, so I saved it for last. Measure 1 part acrylic paint with 1 part pouring mix to make the paint more liquid and easy to pour. If you use acrylic, then the paint is too thick and will crack upon drying. Water alone can't replace the pouring mix. Adding water to make it less thick will dilute the paint and cause it to be runny. I'm using a piece of foam and chopstick or popsicle stick as a stand to lay the ornaments on. I mixed 3 to 4 different colors in different containers. I start pouring one color mixture at a time. Then I add on the next color. Try not to mix the colors as it may look muddy, but you can't help that from happening sometimes. You don't need to pour it in any particular pattern. You really have to pour a lot of paint to cover the ornament throughout. However, I like it when parts of the ornament shows through. I feel that the solution must be mixed in the exact proportion of acrylic paint and pouring mix to achieve an optimal result. However, you should read the instructions of the pouring mix bottle as they may differ. Enjoy customizing your own ornaments with these 8 easy methods. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!